this assessment, we're asked to calculate the index of hydrogen efficiency for the molecular formula on screen, the molecular formula which responds to the natural product, curacin A. I've shown the equation on the board. We can go ahead and plug in numbers. So to start, we have 23 carbons. We have 35 hydrogens, so we're going to subtract 35 divided by 2. We have 0 halogens in the molecule, so 0 over 2. 1 nitrogen. There's nothing in the equation to account for the oxygen and the sulfur. That's okay. And we add 1. Now I'm going to change these halves. I'm going to rewrite this as 23 minus 17.5. The minus 0 halves is gone. Add 0.5 and add 1. 23 minus 17 over 5 is 5.5, plus 0.5 is 6, plus 1 is equal to 7. The index of hydrogen efficiency is 7, which means we have 7 double bond equivalents, pi bonds, or rings in this molecule, curacin A.